So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a family member in Duolingo. So the first thing you want to do is click on Duolingo. On here you can see at the bottom home, then you can see some of the challenges you have. You can see video call as well as leaderboards, and you will see here this option. It says try super for some price. So you can go and use super Duolingo, which will be a subscription, so you get a better version of it basically. And you can see here one member. So if you go to super family, it says up to 6 members, and that means that you can add people to that Duolingo plan. So if you click on the super Duolingo plan that you purchased and you have a subscription on, you will see the option manage, or you will see the option plus to invite members. So on there, just click on that and you can text them, email them, or use some other messaging platforms so you can receive a notification to access that super Duolingo plan which you will be using. So it's basically like a bundle for your 6 family members. That's why it's called family. And you can send them that invite and click on the plus sign so they can join that plan, and you can all enjoy some benefits of having a super Duolingo account. So that's how you can do that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duolingo or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.